Hello everyone, salutations. So today we are going to begin with SOP2 of the lesson Computerized Accounting with GST. Okay, so I have already uploaded the video of SOP1, you can check it out. So today we are going to study SOP2. Okay, so SOP2 demands GST calculation and it's very easy. It's very easy. First of all, I would like to mention you please read the lesson. Okay, in the lesson itself, lot of case studies, solved case studies are given, and detailed stepwise instructions are given. Okay, so uh, interstate GST, intrastate GST. Okay, three types of GST. So according to the types of GST, there are varieties of question. Now this SOP2 is dedicated for CGST, that is state SGST. Okay, but when we talk about SGST, so it is like 50% goes to the state and 50% goes to central government. Okay, so in that manner calculation has to be done, but that is very simple. So let's begin. You will understand, it's very easy. So step by step I'm going to demonstrate. So first of all, we have to create this company called MS Bags and Baggage Traders. So let's begin. I am going to use Tally application, Tally ERP 9. It's very important that when you are creating any company and doing any kind of GST calculation, GST enabled reports, if the uh, purchase and sale, if the purchase and sale is regarding any goods, the company which we create should be maintained with accounts and inventory. And if the purchase and sale is going on between services, in exchange of services, okay, then the company should be maintained accounts only. All right, now this point is already given in the textbook. You have to please read the textbook carefully. So we are going to work in educational mode. The shortcut as it is given last time I explained you what is the meaning of these shortcuts. Okay, letter W with underline means you have to use alt combination, alt plus W, and double underline means control plus that particular letter key you have to press. So I am pressing alt W. Okay, so as you can see, gateway of Tally has started. All right, so now first of all, we are going to create the company, and I told you in the right hand side dark green panel, lot of options are available. Okay, even though if you do not remember the shortcuts, you can always choose these options. You can uh, use the shortcuts from the keyboard as well as you can use your mouse. So first of all, we will create the company as it's given in the question. Okay, so name of the company is MS Bags and Baggage Traders. I'll type it. Baggage Traders. Okay, mailing name can remain same. Then company address JM. Now try to copy the question as much as possible. JM Ratna Road. Okay. J dot M dot Ratna Road near Maruti Mandir. Ratnagiri. Okay. Next detail is about the state. So you have a separate mentioning of state. You can choose the state from here. I'm typing MAHA. So automatically Maharashtra has appeared. Now I can press enter button. Okay. And pin code is 415612. All right. Mobile number, fax number, it's not given in the question, but email ID and website are given. So we will provide that. Email ID is contact at the rate us. Yes, contact at the rate symbol us. Sorry, that was a contact underscore. Very sorry. Underscore at the rate us at the rate. Sorry. Contact underscore us at the rate bags and traders dot com. Yes. Then website is www.bagsandraiders.com. All right. Next detail is about the date. So it's 1/4/2019. I'll type it once again. 1/4/2019. Book beginning year is also same. Okay. What else is asked? You are asked to enter the GST identification number, so that we have to provide. I'll tell you how to provide. Now, first of all, observe what is purchased and what is sold. So, leather bags, leather handbags. So, these are goods, not services. Okay, so these are products. So, we have to first of all see whether our account is accounts with inventory or not. Okay, so we will save all this, and I last time I told you the shortcut to save the entire details given on the screen. Use the shortcut Control A. So the company has been created. Now using F11 key, go in accounting features, go in the company which you want and check whether the company is accounts with inventory or accounts only. Okay, for goods, for the goods we want accounts with inventory. So it says maintain accounts only. No, that means it's fine. Integrate accounts and inventory. Yes, everything is fine. So we will save it as it is Control A. Okay, then we will again go in. Sorry. Let's go back once again because we have to enter the GST identification number. GST identification number can be entered in the features F11 key as I told you. Then in you can go in statutory and taxation, the third option. I'm pressing S. Okay, select the company and now you have to answer some of these questions. The questions are enable goods and services tax. So it's no, you have to type yes. Okay, then set and alter GST details. Yes, you have to do yes. Now this dialog box will come, so you have to provide GST identification number. Okay, so every state has got 2-digit GST identification code. Okay, so for Maharashtra it's 27, it's already given in the textbook. Then what are the other details we will see? The rest all details are fine here in GST. I hope so you can see GST IN. Okay, so here you are supposed to provide the GST number which is printed here. This one. So 27 stands for Maharashtra. Then STUV1234. All right, let's type this. 27 STUV. It was W also. Yes, STUVW 1234. Then C2Z1. C2Z1. Over. Okay, rest all details are fine. No need to edit any other details. You can select all. Select all, Control A. Done. Okay, and then you have to select this whole screen also. Control A. Saved. Okay, so at least our company creation is done now. All right. So now we have to begin with the ledger creation. First of all, let's read the question what is happening here, and then accordingly we will create some ledgers. Okay. So it says enter the following transactions in appropriate vouchers using by applying GST. So you have to apply GST, print GST computation report and tax invoice. So all these things are available. We just have to fill in the, okay, so you have to print these reports. These reports are available once we finish all the steps. Then on 1st August 2019, what happened? So on 1st August 2019, purchase activity took place. What was purchased? Who purchased? MS Bags and Baggage Traders purchased 150 pieces of leather handbags, okay, each at 2500 per piece rate, okay, and the GST is 28%. 28% means, as I told you, now when GST is applicable to a state, how did we decide this GST is applicable to state? First of all, this company Bags and Baggage Traders is in Maharashtra. Okay. Now from where they are purchasing this 150 bags, it's also in Maharashtra. And the party to whom they have sold these bags is also in Maharashtra. Okay, so here we can identify if all the company from where it is purchasing and to whom it is selling, all these three companies are based in a single state. So we have to apply CGST. Okay, so but CGST is like that, whatever the percentage is, it should be 50-50% given to 50% should be given to the state and 50% should be given to the central government. So CGST and SGST. Since it is 28%, so 14% will remain in the state and 14% has to be given to the central government. Okay, so in that manner calculation has to be done, but we don't have to worry about dividing 28 by 2 because it is available as integrated GST. In integrated GST, when you provide 28, okay, it automatically divides 14 as state and 14 as central government GST. Okay, so we will see the steps now. First of all, we have to create the ledger. So I hope so you have understood 150 pieces of leather handbags was purchased from so and so company and all these details are available. We have to enter all these details so that it appears in the report. And then 80 pieces were sold at profit. Okay, means purchasing price is this and selling price is this. Same 28% GST to this party and all these details are available. We have to enter so that it appears in the report. All right, I hope so you have understood. So first of all, we have to create ledgers. Okay, now let's go back to the company. I am pressing escape button, coming back to main gateway of Tally. So this is company info, sorry. I have to come back to the main gateway of Tally. So this is main gateway of Tally. You can read it over here. Okay. And first of all, you have to create the ledgers and make sure, now see, I went in accounts info. Here you have ledgers option and always go for single ledger creation. Why? Because all the maximum details are available over here to enter. Okay. Now pay attention. First of all, main activities are purchase and sale. So there should be two ledgers, one dedicated for purchase and one dedicated for sales. Easy. Okay. So first of all, we will create a purchase ledger. But what is purchased here in this case? Handbags. So we will create purchase handbags and bags account. Okay. Or simply purchase handbags. However you type, no problem. It's a ledger name. Okay. And then under which group? Purchasing activity is going on, so it is purchase accounts. All right, now all these details are appeared. What you have to do, pay attention carefully. It's also explained in the textbook. I will demonstrate as it's given in the textbook. Okay, so here it says yes, no problem, enter, enter. Whatever default is coming, you enter. Main is this. Is GST applicable? Yes, it is applicable. Set and alter GST details. Yes, you have to By default it is no, you have to make it yes, and when you click on enter, you get this uh, dialog box. Here you have to enter the description. Okay, now see what is asked. You have to enter description. Description means something, leather handbag, as it was given in the question. You can type leather handbag. Then every product has a HSN or SSE code. Okay, it's explained in the textbook, and you have to take this from internet. Now if this thing is not appearing, okay, if HSN, now first time when you will do HSN/SSE, this detail will not be appearing. So you have to go in configuration, okay, and by default this configuration will be no. Allow HSN SSE details, by default it will be no. You have to make it yes, and control A, save this dialog box with all the entries. So this should be yes. Okay, I'll make it yes once again, and control A. So here you will be able to see HSN SSE. Okay, now this is a like a universal code. A product is identified with that particular code. So every product, every commodity or any type of service has got a code. Okay, you have to enter that. I hope so you understood. Description is leather handbags, leather handbag. Okay, so I got this from internet. Okay, from the Google. You can just type HSN code for leather handbag and you will get the code. So the code is 420 22 11 0. This is the code. Okay. Then nature of transaction. This is important. You have to enter this. Now many suggestions has appeared. You have to use this last one, that is purchase taxable. Okay. So just type purchase, PUR. You have to type it completely because many suggestions are there related to purchase. Okay. Purchase taxable. Now see, when you type TAX, the suggestion has come. So now you can press enter. Okay, now as I told you about the integrated tax, you have to provide the actual number given in the question, that is 28. So 1414, it will divide as per state and central government. And then finally cess, no cess, okay, control A. So now it will ask type of supply. What is the type of supply? You know, handbags are goods, they are not services. So select goods. Okay, rest all details fine, no need to enter, control A. Our first ledger has been successfully created. Now you have created a ledger for purchase. Okay, for purchasing handbag. All right, now you will create a ledger for selling those handbags. So sale handbags, handbag account, or simply sale handbags, however you want, no problem. So you are selling it, it will go under sales account. Okay, rest all the way you did it for the purchase, you have to repeat. Okay, so these are fine. Whatever default is coming, you just select it. Is GST applicable? Yes, it is applicable. Set and alter GST? Yes. Okay, now repeat this step. Okay, we entered leather handbag. What we are going to sell? So complete description about that. And since GST is applicable, so GST rates, everything integrated manner we are going to enter. Then HSN, same 420 22 11 0. Nature of transaction. Now since it is sales, so sale taxable. Okay, sales taxable, sales taxable. Integrated tax, that is 28%. Cess nothing, control A. Is it good or is it service? We know it is goods. Then rest all details, no need to enter, control A. Two ledgers are successfully created for purchase activity and then sales activity. Now two more ledgers we have to create. No, total four, actually total six. Two we have made, four are remaining. So now we have to create ledgers for SGST and CGST because they also will be shown in the bill. Okay. So finally, when the bill will be ready, you will be able to see how CGST and SGST will be calculated automatically. So for that, you have to create the ledger. So now we will create ledger for SGST. S, G, S, T. S stands for state. So state GST. Now all these GST accounts should be entered in duties and taxes. It's also given in the textbook. So duties, sorry, duties. I was typing wrong spelling. Duties. Now here you have to select GST. Uh, SGST is a type of state tax. So choose state tax. Percentage of calculation, nothing. Rest all details, no need to enter. Control A. I hope so you have understood. SGST under duties and taxes. Okay, you have to choose which variety of tax it is. It is a type of state tax and no other thing. Okay, percentage of calculation 0 and rest all details no need to enter. Just control A, select everything. Okay, so just like we made SGST, now we will make CGST. CGST. Okay, and it is also under duties and taxes. It is GST. Okay, and it is a type of central tax and percentage of calculation 0. Control A. So total 4 ledgers successfully made. Now 2 more ledgers. From whom we purchased to whom we sold. Okay. So last time I told you from whom we purchase are sundry creditors, to whom we sell are sundry debtors. Okay. So from whom did we purchase? Let's go back to the question and we have to enter all these details now, all the address, GST, identification number, whatever they have provided, we have to enter. Okay. The company name is Genuine Leather Bags. This is the name of the country from where purchase activity has happened. So mention Genuine Leather Bags. Okay. Since purchase activity, we have to pay them. We have to pay this company. Who has to pay this company? Here we means this company. Bags and baggage will pay to uh, genuine leather bags. Okay. So genuine leather bags will be credited. Their account should be credited. That's why they will be sundry creditors. All right. Then rest of these details you just enter. Let it be whatever it is by default. No problem. No need to change. Now here you have to provide address, pin code, then GST identification number as it is given in the question. Sorry. Oh, I'm fumbling a lot today, but please excuse, no problem. Genuine leather bag, Sai Baba Nagar, DP Road. Okay. Sai Baba Nagar, DP Road. Then mm, Navi Mumbai. You have to type till Navi Mumbai. State is already printed over here. Just type the pin code. Pin code is 4000039. Then PAN number is not there. GST identification is given in the textbook, so we have to type to say 27. God, what's wrong today? I'm fumbling a lot. Very, very sorry. But all the steps will be very clear. Okay. 27 LMNOP. Okay, first of all, let's enter this. 27 stands for Maharashtra, as I told you. L, M, N, O, P, and all these alphabets which I'm typing in GSTIN, automatically they are typed in uppercase. So you don't have to press the caps lock, okay? LMNOP, then 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have V2Z2. Okay, V2Z2. All right, all the details given in the question are entered. Okay, so purchase activity happened from genuine leather bags, so they should be credited. So the group is correct. All the details are fine. It is asking verify the party GSTIN. Yes, it is correct. We have typed correctly. You can check it once again, no problem. And here make it yes and then control A. Done. Okay. Now to whom it is sold. We have to create a ledger for them also. So bags were sold to MS Shoppers Stock. Enter. MS Shoppers Stock. All right. So goods are sold. They will pay money. That's why sundry, the opposite of creditor, debtor. Done. Okay. So all these default details are fine. Enter, enter, enter. Enter the address given in the textbook. It's Pari Industrial Estate, Chiplun. Pari Industrial Estate. Make sure you type correct spellings. Chiplun. Hmm? Okay, okay. Chiplun. No other thing. Directly Maharashtra is already printed over here. Now go back to the question. Okay. Pin code is 415605. 415605. 415605. Then next GSTIN we have to enter. So whatever details are there, just enter, enter, enter. Come to GSTIN and type 27, of course, for Maharashtra. JKLMN. Okay. 27 JKLMN. Then 4321C1Z2. 4321C1Z2. Done. Okay, verify. Yes, no problem. I read aloud and entered, so it is correct. No problem. If you want, you can check it twice. Yes, and control A. Done. All the ledger entries are done. It's simple. Okay. See, if you practice twice, it will be very simple. You will remember and you will perform this experiment fluently, very, very fluently. Okay. You won't need any other assistant. You won't need the book to check the steps. Just practice twice. It will be very fluent. All right. So all the ledgers are entered. Now we have to create inventory details. Okay, next step is to create inventory details. So escape, 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 come in the main gateway of Tally. So here we are in the main gateway of Tally. In accounts info, we made the ledgers, okay, by choosing the ledger and single ledger creation mode. All right. Because in single ledger creation mode only, we will be able to enter all the details regarding GST, regarding the address and all everything. Okay, all these details are available in single ledger creation screen only. Okay, now next is inventory info. Okay, in inventory info, first of all, you have to follow the sequence. First create the measure. Okay, now why inventory is needed? Because first of all, they are related to the goods. That's why inventory is needed. First of all, goods. Okay, because the item is good, not the service. So goods are in pieces. That's why you need to create unit. Okay. And handbag is a variety of bag, because the name of the company is bag and baggages. So not only one variety of bag, they may be uh, trader of many different varieties. One variety is handbag. So you have to create stock group and this stock item, that is handbag. Okay. So sequentially we will follow the steps and create inventory details. First we will create units of measure. Okay. See this. I went in units of measure. Create. Very simple. Only one detail you have to enter, which, see, it's given in the question as pieces. Pieces. Okay. So you can give the, sorry, you can give the short form as PCS. Okay. Formal name pieces. PIECES. Okay. Now this is nothing to worry about because a long list has appeared. It is UQC. Okay. Now these are all the details of units. Okay. So whichever matches with yours, you have to select that. Otherwise leave, it's optional. Okay. You can leave it also. But since it is there, we can select. See, PCS, the short form as well as the long form, both are available. So we will select, press enter. Number of decimal places, no. These units are, you are not in fractions. Okay. Bags are not in fractions. That is a complete whole unit. Okay. One bag, two bag. You cannot purchase one and a half bag. Okay. So it's not necessary to enter the decimal. Control A. Done. No need to create any other unit. Quit it. Okay. So I pressed escape. I am pressing enter. Went back. Now how many steps you have to come back? I have to go to inventory info. Okay. So here you can directly click on inventory info with the mouse or click escape. Okay. So once the unit of measure is created, now you can create group. First create group and then item. Remember the sequence: unit, group, item, unit, group, item. Okay. So tally is very simple. You just have to go step by step, do the entries, done. Single. Okay. Single stock group creation. So we will make a group called bag, in which one stock item will be handbag. There may be other varieties of bags also. Bag. Okay. Or bags, however you want to. Rest all details you can just select as it is. So control A. Done. Come back. Don't create any other group. Okay. One group is done. Now next is stock item. Create. Okay. So now leather handbags. Leather handbags. Then under primary or bags, handbags under bags. Okay. Main group bags, units, pieces. I hope so. Oh my god. I'll backspace because that was not selected properly. So entry was wrong. You can click on backspace and choose the correct entry. Okay. Now if any other details are there, now GST details you have to enter. GST applicable? Yes, it is applicable. Set and alter GST details? Yes. So again this detail has appeared. Enter it. Okay. Enter it. No problem. So you can enter leather handbag. HSN code as we know, 420 22 11 0. Okay. Then this is as it is, no problem. Taxability, taxable. Then integrated, 28. Okay. So control A. Done. Yes. Type of supply, goods or service, goods. Rate of duty, nothing. Control A. Select all. Okay. So stock item also created. Now since all these entries are done, you have created 6 ledgers. You have created inventory details. Okay. You created group. You created individual stock item, and unit is also ready. So when everything is ready, now it's time to create the accounting voucher. There are 2 accounting vouchers because there is purchase transaction and sale transaction. So we have to create only two vouchers, accounting vouchers, purchase and sales. All right, and we will follow the date. So accounting vouchers. Go in purchase. First of all, we will finish with the purchase and then come to the sales. Okay. So purchase shortcut is F9. You can press F9 key as well as you can use your mouse and choose the option. First of all, change the date because I tend to forget the date. Date is 1/8/2019. So first of all, you can use this shortcut F2 or click with the mouse. 1/8/2019. Done. Okay. Supplier invoice number, nothing. It's not given in the question, so leave it. Party name, we have purchased from. We means who? This. Bags and baggage. Oh my god. I can see I have typed wrong spelling in the company name. You can alter it. We will see if there is any mistake like this. You can alter it. No problem. Okay, so genuine leather bags from this company. Bags were purchased. Now this dialog box has appeared. We don't know any other details. So control A. Okay, let it be. Purchase ledger, purchase handbags account. Okay. Then what did we purchase? Leather handbags. Now see this. Enter. How many? How many pieces? 150 pieces. Okay. 150. Press enter. Now PCS, you can see the unit has automatically appeared. Now rate. Per piece rate is 2500. 2500. Enter. And the multiplication is done. Amount is ready. Okay. Now next, you have to also enter the calculation of CGST and SGST. Okay. So press enter and see. If it happens like this, there is no need to worry. There is nothing wrong. See, now you will try to enter CGST, but you can see end of list and some spelling error kind of thing. No need to worry. Backspace, backspace. Okay. Enter and click on end of list. No problem. Click on enter, end of list. Okay. Press enter. Alright. Now once again try CGST. Now see, it has appeared CGST. And the calculation is automatically done. You don't have to do anything. Easy. Next, SGST. Alright. This is also done. So purchase voucher is complete. That means this is complete for now. Okay. So control A. Otherwise enter, 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 enter. Accept. Enter. Okay. Control A. I'll press Control A. Now next, we have to finish this also. This one, second one. And the date is 2/9/2019. First of all, go to the sales and change the date. 2/9/2019. 2/9/2019. Alright. Then from to whom it is sold, MS shoppers stock. Okay, now see, once you have entered all these details, while creation these details are already there, it will be printed on the bill also. You can see the preview of the bill. Okay, I'll show you. So no need to enter any other details if it is not known. Control A. But in real sense, people enter all these details, dispatch number, vehicle number, everything they enter. Okay, but we are not given all those details, so we will skip. Control A. Sales ledger, sales, handbag account, and as you can see in each and every voucher entry, whatever we are doing, every single entry is a ledger account. That's why ledger accounts are important. Without ledger accounts, you cannot do voucher entry. Okay, that's why ledgers are called heads of accounting. And vouchers are for recording day-to-day transaction. Okay, and ledger account entry is only possible when you enter the correct group. Okay, so all these are interrelated to each other. But basics you have to follow and rest all is very simple. So I'll select this. So what is sold? Leather handbag. Leather handbag. How much quantity? How many pieces are sold? 80 pieces at the rate of 3,500, 3,500. 80 pieces, enter 3500, enter, multiplication done. Okay, now next, when I will try to enter CGST or SGST, it will not appear in the suggestion. So what I have to choose? I have to choose end of list. Enter. Now you try once again. CGST rate is automatically calculated. You don't have to worry because it is 50-50%. So you will see both the rates are same, CGST and SGST. Okay, 40% here, 14% there. Okay, now you have to SGST. Choose SGST. Done. Okay, Control A. You can choose. Okay, now for now I'll just demonstrate. I'll enter. Provide GST bills. Yes. Provide everything. Okay. Now all these details we have already it is appearing. So fine, it is Control A. Then this is also correct. Calculation is correct definitely. Okay. Because it is computerized accounting. And now with GST. Okay. It says mandatory information of e-bill way is not specified, verified distance. Okay, we do not know all these details, so there is no need of entering any of this. Okay, we don't know. It's not given in the question. No problem. Just press enter. Okay, and click on enter. Done. Okay. Now see all the reports. Whatever the reports you want to see, practical is done. It's over. Come back. Escape. Now see in the display, go to the display, and first of all you can go in the day book. Go in day book, you can see this sales. Okay. See, you can now directly print this bill. Okay, for purchasing also the bill can be printed, for sales also this bill can be printed. So you can use this. Now first time when you will attempt to print, I'm clicking on print. Okay, so it may appear like this and click on yes. So directly it will not get printed because my device is not attached to the printer. First of all, it will go in OneNote or any other application. It is going to show you the preview. From there you can print. Okay, so I'm clicking on yes. Now see this OneNote. Okay, and because I made this notebook kind of thing, okay, so I can use this also. Otherwise untitled page, whatever you find, and click on okay. Now see this can be directly printed. Tax invoice. Okay, directly print command can be given from here. Option may be available somewhere. Otherwise control P, directly control P. If the printer is ready, it can be printed. All right, and then finally you can see all these things. Or okay, because I I actually practice many times. So yes, this is the one which we did now. This one. Okay, so this can be printed and directly see. That is why it was asking for all those details, but we didn't have in our question. If we had provided all those details, must have printed over here. Directly take the printout and signature and sign. Done. Bill is ready. That is why Tally application or any other accounting applications, it can automatically calculate GST. Okay, so as you have seen this. Okay, so directly printout can be taken, then signatures can be done, and the bill can be provided. All right, I hope so you have understood. Okay. Yes. We were talking about, so this was the sales bill. Okay, sales. I'll escape, go back, and now you can go in statutory reports. You can press the letter O. Select the option GST, press G. Okay, now see all the varieties of bills are available over here. GSTR 1, 2, 3, B as well as annual computation. What was our question? Let's go back to the question. Print GSTR2 and sales tax invoice. So just now you saw this is the sales tax invoice. This is the sales tax invoice. Tax invoice it's written. Okay. And 80 pieces were sold. To whom? To shoppers stock. Okay. So this can be printed. Now next is we have to print GSTR2. Okay. So go back to the company. So this is the GSTR2 bill. Second one. See. You can also see any report, not only GSTR2, you can also see balance sheet, profit and loss account, trial balance, day book, any kind of report in detail. How? Use this shortcut detailed. Alt plus F1. Now see, this is the detailed report. Three more, three more, three more. Okay. Otherwise, condensed. Okay, so this is the summary, and Alt F1 will give you detailed report of any kind of report, not only GST reports, balance sheet or any other kind of report you can see in detail with the help of this shortcut. It's also given in the textbook. So this you can print. Okay, the step is same. This is the print option. Okay, and the shortcut is Alt plus P. So when you click here, okay, it will first of all go in OneNote or any other PDF application where PDF can be generated. Not only OneNote, any other application can also give a suggestion. Now here, see. Okay, choose anything, any option available over here. Now see, this is the GST R2. Okay, this can be directly printed. Then one more, I will show you one more type of report. Escape, I came back. Annual computation. Okay, this also can be provided. Okay, make sure the rates are visible. Rates must be visible. Here also rates are visible. It's fine. Okay, rates must be visible. Sometimes because of faulty entry, if there are errors in the entry. Okay, if you have missed some steps, all these things will be blank, or some of the rows may be blank. Okay, but if you do all the entries properly, you get all the rates in this manner. I hope so you have understood the practical. Okay, practical was easy. I think so it's easier than the first one. First one was also easy, but it was little bit lengthy. Okay, now you have to write the steps in the notebook. The steps are already demonstrated. Step by step, it's given nicely in the textbook. Very sorry. It's given in the textbook. Creation of ledgers. Yes, here. Okay, now see this example, GST on goods. We also did the practical for GST on goods, and the location was same state, Maharashtra. The company which is involved is Maharashtra. From where it is purchasing, it's also Maharashtra. From where they are selling, to whom they are selling, that's also in Maharashtra. Okay, so this example actually relates to your SOP2. Okay, and GST 28%, so it divided as 14% and 14%. So everything in detail is explained over here. All the steps are nicely given. Okay, so you can write the steps from here. Okay, copy the question and then write the steps to create company. Write the steps to create the ledger in this manner. If you skip this, no problem. You can skip this part. Okay, directly after purchase, here CCTV is given. You can make it handbag depending upon the product in which the company is dealing. Here they are purchasing and selling CCTV cameras. In our example SOP2, they are purchasing and selling handbags. So you can replace CCTV word with handbags. Okay, but write carefully. You can write all these steps because all these steps are done by us. You can skip this one by mistake if you have done a wrong entry. Okay, you can do alteration by following this step. Yes, we have to also enter the name of the company. I saw a wrong spelling over there. That also I am going to do. And after this, purchase CCTV, you can directly continue this one. Then SGST, CGST, and name of the two parties from where the to whom goods are sold and from whom goods are purchased. That is sundry creditors. Okay. Then you have to write the inventory details. Inventory steps are also given over here. Detailed. If you follow these steps, your entries will be perfect. Okay. And then finally, you have to create purchase voucher and sales voucher by following these steps. The practical will be over, and then finally you can display the reports using this step. Okay. So you can copy down the steps from here. First copy down the question and down the question from there. Okay, but as per the reduced syllabus, you have to perform only one SOP from this lesson number 3. Okay, so just to demonstrate, I have shown, because this chapter is related to GST. At least we should know something, and at least one type of GST entry we must know. There are different types of GST entry. You can so this was about the uh, state. Okay, interstate, then intrastate, then IGST, all these different varieties, as well as GST is different for goods, okay, and for services. As I told you, the main difference is when you create the company, what type of company it is maintained, that is different. For goods, if you are doing, you have to make accounts with inventory, and if it is only related to service, you have to maintain the company as accounts only. This is the main change. Okay, and rest all is little bit same, but you can definitely learn. If you are interested, you can follow these case studies. Okay, follow these steps. It's nicely given in the question, and you can learn GST entries also. All right, so now after this I will upload a video for next lesson, that is LibreOffice base. Okay, database with base. Okay, for that I will upload 2 SOPs. Okay, then I think so that will be more than sufficient, because as per the reduced syllabus, you have to complete only 7 SOPs. So for this lesson you have only 1 SOP, and then next last lesson, that is the database with base, you have to complete only 1 SOP. But I'll give you SOPs of uh, SOP demonstration. 2 videos I'll provide. Okay, you can choose any one of them, whatever you want. All right, so follow the instructions of your teacher. However, your teacher teaches, follow that. Okay, and but my steps are also fine. My steps, nobody will have any problem, because I have followed the textbook. Okay, so if you follow the textbook, there is no kind of objection. So you can follow my steps also, however I did. And but very important, the way your teacher teaches, please follow that. Stick to your teacher, however she teaches. Okay, and follow the instruction of your teacher and complete the journal. So I'll meet you in the next video. I hope so this was helpful. Okay, yes, okay, how can I stop, and regarding printing and all you have to do in practical exam, and probably printing is not done by the students, it's done by the lab assistants and other teachers. Okay, so you don't have to worry, you just have to bring the output correctly. Don't worry about that. Now let us try to change the spelling of our main company name. So escape, coming back, to main gateway of Tally. Now go in this option, that is company info, and alter option. Okay, name of the company is bags and baggage. So here there was a problem in the spelling, so I'll use the navigation key, BAGG, and S is extra over there. I'll remove this. Now it's correct. Control A, it says spelling error. I'll press enter, and now I'll again press Control A. It's done. Okay, so now when you see this company, that spelling mistake won't appear, and these numbers, as I told you, I'll go to that folder. Okay, and show you where are these companies. Okay, it's available in the C drive, C drive, then users. Uh, no, I think so. It's in public, Tally ERP9, data folder. Here you can see this total how many companies are there. All these are the companies. Okay, but here in the list you can see only two companies. Okay, so let's go back and try to see all our companies. So I'll choose select company option. Yes. Now see all these companies are visible. So I actually practiced before making the video. So it has baggage traders. I changed the name of the company, so there should be no problem in spelling. Otherwise it says duplicate entry. 10,003, 10,004. Okay. You can, 1, 2, no, all the numbers are consistent. Okay. 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4 as per the creation of date they are appearing. Okay. So these are all the companies available in the tally. I hope so. This was helpful. And if you want to delete any company, for example, you want to delete this one that is baggage trader. So from that folder, you have to delete 10,003. That folder you have to delete. This one, if I delete, I'll delete that entire company. Okay. So now you will tell me where do I find this folder, data folder of Tally ERP9? Last time I told you it's available over here. See the path. Okay. So just click on select company. You will get the path in this manner. Okay. So we will meet in the next video. So next video will be about database. Okay. With the help of LibreOffice based software. All right. So everybody please take care and please subscribe the channel. Please, please, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for your valuable suggestions. Okay. Thank you for all the likes and share. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take care everybody. We will meet in the next